Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker, and I'm here to take you through a very quick 5-minute daily stretch. So bring yourself to a hands and knees position, and let's start to move through cat and cow. So breathing in, head and tailbone lifting up, exhaling, dropping head and tailbone. So making sure you're taking the long and deep breaths here, feeling the chest widening, and then the belly button drawing in. Feeling your body as you move today, bringing that connection into the body. And now from here, we're going to thread the left arm across and down to the floor, pressing the right hand down and pressing the back of the left arm into the floor. Take a deep breath in and out, feeling that stretch across the mid-back. Inhale, come back to center, and then exhale, thread the right arm across. Again, pressing left palm into the floor, back of right arm, and taking a deep breath in and out. Bring yourself to tabletop now, and then step the right foot forwards to a lunge. Hands underneath the shoulders, chest wide. Take the right arm up to the ceiling to twist, breathing in and out. Take the right hand down and see if you can sink the hips a little bit deeper, breathing into your belly, breathing into the left hip flexor, and step the right foot back, step the left foot forwards, chest wide, and take the left arm up to twist, breathing in and out. Bring the left hand down, and again let the hips sink forwards, breathing into your belly, breathing into the right hip flexor. Step your left foot back, and then walk the hands forwards, coming into puppy dog pose. So bum is over the knees, elbows extended straight, forehead pressing to the floor. And we want to emphasize the mid-back, the heart space dropping towards the floor. So take a deep breath into the top of the shoulders, and as you exhale, see if you can relax them and allow that mid-upper back to open up. And then we're going to slide the hips forwards, coming into a Sphinx pose, pressing the hips into the floor, squeezing the glutes, and widening through the chest. And from here, take the left arm out to the side on the floor, and then roll onto the left side. So you should feel a stretch in the front of the left arm, left side of the chest. This is a wonderful way to improve your posture and help to relieve those tired shoulder muscles. Rolling back to center, take your right arm out to the side and roll onto the right side. Relaxing the right shoulder to the floor and bringing that attention into the body. Feeling the sensations of the body today as you stretch. Slowly come back to center and then tuck the toes under, step to downward dog. Soften the knees and focus on the sit bones reaching up to the ceiling, so sticking the bum out, allowing the head to fully drop, so back of the neck is long, and then start to press one heel to the floor at a time. Take a deep breath into the belly, pressing both heels down and out. And then let's come down to lie on your back. Bring your knees over to the left into a twist. Take the right arm out to the side, relaxing the right shoulder to the floor. Take a deep breath into your belly and out, and squeezing belly button in, change sides. Relaxing left shoulder to the floor. Take a breath in and out. Squeezing belly button in, come to center and cross right ankle over left knee, hands behind the left thigh. Relax your pelvic floor here, relax your belly, and breathe down into the base of the spine, bringing some of that energy in the head down into the pelvis. And then let's change sides, crossing left ankle over right knee, and then once again breathing down into that pelvic floor, softening your jaw, feeling the body. And then placing both feet on the floor, let's hug the knees into the chest and rock from side to side, massaging your lower back, soothing the nervous system. And then slowly coming up to seated. Bring the palms together at the heart center. Namaste. Thank you for joining me.